Hello friends, in this particular video, we will see the judiciary which is there in the constitution of North Macedonia. The constitutional court, there are 9 judges. The term of the judge would be 9 years. The judges of this court are elected by National Assembly by a majority of vote of the total number of representatives. The court elects a president from its own ranks for a term of 3 years without the right to re-election. The judges of this court are elected from outstanding members of legal profession. Now, what this court does actually? This court would decide on the conformity of the laws with the constitution. This court decides on the conflicts of competency among holders of legislative, executive and judicial offices. This court decides on the answerability of the President of the Republic. This court decides on the constitutionality of the programs and statutes of political parties and associations of citizens. Then there is a judicial council. Now, what is this judicial council? This council shall be an autonomous and independent judicial body. The council ensures and guarantee the autonomy and independence of the judicial authority through performing its function in accordance with constitution and laws. This council consists of 15 members. The President of the Supreme Court of the Republic of North Macedonia shall be the ex officio member of the council. The Minister of Justice of Republic of North Macedonia shall be the ex officio member of the council. 8 members of the council shall be elected by judges from among their ranks. 3 members of the council shall be elected by the Assembly of the Republic of North Macedonia. 2 members of the council shall be proposed by the President of the Republic of North Macedonia and elected by the Assembly of the Republic of North Macedonia. Now, what this council does? The members of the council elected by the judges have term of 6 years. The members of the council elected by Parliament of the Republic of North Macedonia have term of 6 years. President of Supreme Court of Republic of North Macedonia and Minister of Justice shall cease upon termination of their function. Other members will have term of 6 years. Now, what this council does? This council is responsible for appointment and dismissal of judges in accordance with constitution. This council monitors and evaluates the work of judges. This council decides on revoking the immunity of a judge. This council decides on the number of necessary judicial positions for the courts. This council takes care for reputation of the judges and the trust of citizens in the judiciary. This council shall examine the annual report of the Supreme Court of Republic of North Macedonia regarding the determined fundamental principles and fundamental legal opinions upon issues of importance for the purpose of securing unity in the application of laws. This council shall review and assess the quarterly and annual reports on the work of the court and to publish them on its website. The council shall act upon complaints by citizen and legal entities for the work of judges, the president of the courts and the courts. Now what is the courts? Supreme Court. This is the highest court in the country, providing uniformity in the implementations of the laws by the courts. Higher administrative courts, courts of appeal, administrative courts and basic courts. So friend, this was the judiciary which was there in the constitution of North Macedonia. In our next video, we will see what are the other features which are there in the constitution of North Macedonia. Thank you.